I'm just walking down the street. Oh, what's this thing right here? I guess I'll just check it out. Time travel ink? What could that be? Sir, I want to go back in time.
What you talking about, crazy lady?
Can I go back and see the doctor and go back in time?
Fine, woman. Just get out of my face.
This is gonna be awesome. Woo!
Alright, the machine is ready. Now is everyone ready to go back in time?
Wait! I want to go back in time with you guys.
You don't even have a gun.
Here's the gun for you, lady. No, I got a gun. I think I should go. I'm going.
Alright, fine. Go back in time.
We should all split up. We'll be back later. Alright, just take a look around.
Hey, what's that moving over there? In the sand? What could that be? I don't know how I'm supposed to get out of this situation. Oh, man.
I'm just driving along, just driving along.
Get over here!
Look like you needed some help there, buddy.
I think you're right about that one.
Hop in, I'll give you a ride.
Guys, I'm really worried about Tony.
Boy, lady, get over here. I think I found something.
I think these might be dinosaur eggs.
Dinosaurs? What are you, mad?
I'm gonna kill all of you!
Tony, I thought you were dead.
Nothing kill me, baby.
Think I can get a ride back to the time machine, baby?
Hop on in, lady.
We're almost back to the time machine. We'll be there in a minute.
Beth, when we get back there, I want to make you an honest woman.
Oh, Tony, I think I'm in love with you.
I'm over here.
Tony, there you are. I thought you were dead. I can't believe I almost lost you again.
Baby, I can't die.
I love you, Tony. Tony, come take a look at this.
Oh my God. The time machine, it's destroyed completely.
Tony, who do you think destroyed the time machine?
You again. This time, you stay dead.
It's time to die, Dino Bud. Tony, I'm here to save you.
Beth, take the shot.
I can't believe I almost lost you again, Tony.
I keep on telling you, baby. I can't die. I'm serious. I can't.
Let's never be apart again, Tony.
Beth, do you know what this means? We're stuck. Stuck in time.